At 7:20 a.m., officers from the Fresno Police Department's Northeast Policing District responded to an apartment complex at North Backer Avenue and Shaw Avenue regarding a burglary in progress. A 911 caller reported seeing 3 armed men breaking into an apartment.
Hi, there's an armed robbery going down at Maplewood Condominiums right now.
What's the full address there?
North Backer Avenue, what unit?
And there's like 4 or 5 of them, they all got guns.
My neighbor just came to my house knocking.
They broke into my window and they said Fresno Police Department. And
Okay.
I looked out the people for a second, it wasn't the cops, and I ran out the back door.
And you guys are in unit.
Yeah.
I'm in unit house robberies.
I see them just keep going back and forth grabbing.
They got guns and stuff and they're just looting his house.
Surveillance video captured the suspects approaching the victim's residence. One suspect is armed with a shotgun that was later recovered. After forcing their way inside the victim's apartment, one of the suspects drove their SUV onto the courtyard and backed it up near the apartment's front door. The suspects removed a safe from the apartment and loaded it into the back of the SUV. After partially loading the safe in the SUV, they drove out of the courtyard but were met by arriving Fresno police officers. Officer number 1 located the SUV stopped on a walkway with 2 of the subjects outside of the vehicle. Officer number 1 gave the suspects multiple commands to get on the ground, but they did not comply and they re-entered the SUV. The driver of the SUV backed up, struck a building, and then rapidly accelerated towards Officer number 1. Officer number 1 discharged his service weapon.
14 up hardware, it's in the middle of the complex. It's in the middle of the complex.
Copy.
It is here. They hold shots for you to link up.
Oh, thank God.
Forward to key 14. Give me stay right there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got the car on the south side. Get on the ground! Don't fucking move! They're trying to drive away. Don't move! Don't move! Key 14, they're going back towards you. Stop right there! We're 11. Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop right there!
As the suspects fled from the apartment complex, assisting officers initiated a pursuit. The vehicle drove northbound on Backer Avenue in the direction of Shaw Avenue. From Backer Avenue, the vehicle drove onto the north curb line of Shaw Avenue and into the south parking lot of Fresno State University. Officer number 2's body-worn camera captures the pursuit and its conclusion in the campus south parking lot. When the suspect vehicle drove out of the parking lot, officer number 3 intentionally collided with the vehicle. Officer number 3 observed the driver, 37-year-old Amicho Mancia, attempting to pull a rifle out before he fled from the vehicle. Officer number 3 fired multiple rounds through the windshield of his patrol vehicle. Amicho Mancia then fled from the vehicle and ran westbound towards the campus. Officer number 2 exited his vehicle as Amicho Mancia began to flee. Officer number 2 believed the suspect was armed and fired his service weapon. Amicho Mancia continued to flee, and a police canine was deployed, apprehending him.
Pick up that.
Watch out, watch out! Foul, food! Shots fired! Oh, goddamn! Give me your hand! There's a guy in the car still! There's another guy in the car still. Another guy in the car.
Officer number 3's body-worn camera was activated after the collision with the suspect vehicle. Officer number 3 discharged his service weapon from inside his vehicle and through the windshield. As officers approached the suspect vehicle to detain the passenger, later identified as 43-year-old Antoine Francisco Mancia, Officer number 3 seized the assault rifle that Amicho Mancia was attempting to pull out. Officer number 3 secured the assault rifle, and Antoine Mancia was taken into custody.
Let me get that. I got you. Hey, I'm gonna put this in my car.